14th November 2025, we are at Kalpana Hotel. We came here in NJP. It's very close to NJP railway station. Breakfast and then lunch. They have the AC room where you can rest and keep your luggage. Good one. Had fish after a long time. NJP Kalpana Hotel. So we have our lunch over here. We reached within 12:30. So in the restroom, AC room, we have there. This is Rui Thali and Katla Thali. These are Boroli Rui Thali. So have lunch. We don't eat fish when we travel. We always have veg or egg or chicken most of the time. There goes our luggage. So after 5 days, at last at NGP, and we had the fish, and I packed Boroli fish from there, and you will get a recipe of Boroli fish on 29th of December 2025. Stay tuned.